Our trader development program has been designed to bridge the gap between the current fly-by-the-night prop firms and professional fund managers. Traders will not only get the opportunity to learn how to trade like the pros, but we'll also back you with funding once you pass our trader evaluation. If you're looking for opportunities to join a proprietary trading firm, then look no further. Traders for Trade is looking to build and develop a senior trading team. As soon as you join the trader development program, you'll get access to professional trading education and trading resources. Step 2, you'll start our simple one-step trader evaluation. Hit the profit targets and you'll become a certified T for T trader and joining the ranks of our other successful traders. This is not a pay-to-play program. It's a professional program run by an independent prop trading firm. We're going to guide you through every step of the learning process and then help you develop the knowledge and skills to become a consistently successful trader. We know if you follow our program, you will become a successful trader, and that will lead into our trading team. You'll have an all-access pass to all of our trading education and resources, as well as the evaluation accounts. And the best thing of all, this program is open to traders from across the globe, including the USA. You'll get access to top-tier liquidity, and we'll be using the C-Trader platform. If you're looking for a different outcome and the chance for a successful trading career, we'll join our trader development program today. If you have any questions, we'll jump online and schedule a short 15-minute call and we can work out if this program works for you. If you're looking for a different outcome from your trading and the chance to join a professional trading team, well, join our trader development program today and you can get started straight away. Good luck and happy trading.